Getting into an accident can be stressful. You're worried about your health. Is everybody okay? Your vehicle, how is it going to be repaired? Maybe something you don't consider right away, but makes a big difference is how do you get from point A to point B while your vehicle is being repaired? This is where rental car coverage comes into play, and it's a crucial add-on to your auto insurance policy. Sometimes it's included, generally it's a small premium increase to add this to your policy, but it can be added on to your auto insurance to help provide a rental car so that you can get around while your vehicle is being repaired. This is really not your first thought at the time of an accident. You should be concerned about your health, the other party's health at the accident. Then you're concerned about vehicles. How are they going to be repaired, replaced, totaled? You get a new vehicle. And then it can be a stressor to think, who do I borrow a vehicle from? How much money is it going to cost me at the time of a claim to rent a car? If you have that travel expenses or rental car reimbursement, they generally include a dollar amount, or maybe it's a type of vehicle on a daily basis to provide so that you can continue moving as your vehicle is being repaired, or if it's totaled, as you're waiting for that check to purchase a new vehicle. Very simple add-on to an auto insurance policy that can make a huge difference at the time of a claim to ease some of those stresses and anxieties. The coverages with rental car coverage really generally come with a daily dollar amount. So, depending on your exact policy details, but normally it's a certain dollar amount, and they generally will cover that amount for up to 30 days. So commonly right now, we'll see like $50 per day is covered, and that will be covered for up to 30 days. But sometimes it's only $30 a day. Some companies even $20 a day. There are others where it's just a blanket amount of, $5,000 for a period of time. So there's lots of nuances that can be involved in your policy. So talk to your insurance agent on how there is or is not coverage for you in this setting. There are generally always options for more coverage. So especially depending on the type of vehicle you have. Do you need a truck? Do you need, maybe a van, a minivan? You have a large family. You need a customized vehicle to get around in at the time of a claim. Those types of vehicles you're going to want to add higher for the daily limits, and it's very, very minimal difference in premium. At Hitchings Insurance, we understand the claims process can be really stressful. That is where we really become a true insurance agency and walk alongside our clients to help manage and ensure that everything is taken care of as they see fit. And that rental car reimbursement is a small piece, but also makes a big difference at the time of claim. So if you don't have the coverage, don't know if you have the coverage, don't know who to call if you have an accident, would love to have a conversation in our agency. As an independent agency, several options available to kind of review those rental car coverages, what company's most competitive for you, how much money do you need? Again, do you need that specialized vehicle? Would you just want a small sedan to get by? Kind of play through those differences and what you're looking for and how to properly insure you to be proactive before you get to a claim. If you found this video helpful, you can like, follow, subscribe to our platforms as we will continue to be sharing some more insurance insights.